Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The book of Ezra chapter 1 verses 1 to 11 and the book of Ezra chapter 2 verses 1 to 71. Now in the first year of Cyrus king of Persia, that the Lord's word by Jeremiah's mouth might be accomplished, the Lord stirred up the spirit of Cyrus king of Persia, so that he made a proclamation throughout all his kingdom, and put it also in writing, saying, To Cyrus king of Persia says, The Lord, the God of heaven, has given me all the kingdoms of the earth, and he has commanded me to build him a house in Jerusalem, which is in Judah. 3. Whoever there is among you of all his people, may his God be with him, and let him go up to Jerusalem, which is in Judah, and build the house of the Lord, the God of Israel. He is God, which is in Jerusalem. 4. Whoever is left in any place where he lives, let the men of his place help him with silver, with gold, with goods, and with animals, in addition to the free will offering for God's house, which is in Jerusalem. 5. Then the heads of fathers' households of Judah and Benjamin, the priests and the Levites, all whose spirit God had stirred to go up, rose up to build the Lord's house, which is in Jerusalem. 6. All those who were around them strengthened their hands with vessels of silver, with gold, with goods, with animals, and with precious things, in addition to all that was willingly offered. 7. Also, Cyrus the king brought out the vessels of the Lord's house, which Nebuchadnezzar had brought out of Jerusalem, and had put in the house of his gods. 8. Even those Cyrus king of Persia brought out by the hand of Mithridath the treasurer, and counted them out to Sheshbazzar, the prince of Judah. 9. This is the number of them: 30 platters of gold, 1,000 platters of silver, 29 knives, 30 bowls of gold, 410 silver bowls of the second kind, and 1,000 other vessels. 11. All the vessels of gold and of silver were 5,400. Sheshbazzar brought all these up when the captives were brought up from Babylon to Jerusalem. The book of Ezra chapter 2 verses 1 to 70. 1. Now these are the children of the province who went up out of the captivity of those who had been carried away, whom Nebuchadnezzar the king of Babylon had carried away to Babylon, and who returned to Jerusalem and Judah, everyone to his city. 2. Who came with Zerubbabel, Jeshua, Nehemiah, Sariah, Reliah, Mordecai, Bilshan, Mispar, Bigvai, Rehum, and Baanah, the number of the men of the people of Israel. 3. The children of Parash, 2,172. 4. The children of Shephatiah, 372. 5. The children of Era, 775. 6. The children of Pahath-Moab, of the children of Jeshua and Joab, 2,812. 7. The children of Elam, 1,254. 8. The children of Zatu, 945. 9. The children of Zakkai, 760. 10. The children of Bani, 642. 11. The children of Babai, 623. 12. The children of Ozgad, 1,222. 13. The children of Adonikam, 666. 14. The children of Bigvai, 2,056. 15. The children of Adin, 454. 16. The children of Ader of Hezekiah, 98. 17. The children of Bezai, 323. 18. The children of Jorah, 112. 19. The children of Hashem, 223. 20. The children of Gibber, 95. 21. The children of Bethlehem, 123. 22. The men of Netopha, 56. 23. The men of Anathoth, 128. 24. The children of Asmaveth, 42. 25. The children of Kiriath Arim, Chephirah, and Beeroth, 743. 26. The The children of Ramah and Geba, 621. 27. The men of Michmas, 122. 28. The men of Bethel and Ai, 223. 29. The children of Nebo, 52. 30. The children of Magbish, 156. 31. The children of the other Elam, 1,254. 32. The children of Haram, 320. 33. The children of Lod, Hadid, and Ono, 725. 34. The children of Jericho, 345. 35. The children of Sanaa, 3,630. 36. The priests, the children of Jediah, of the house of Jeshua, 973. 37. The children of Immer, 1,052. 38. The children of Pashur, 1,247. 39. The children of Haram, 1,017. 40. The Levites, the children of Jeshua and Kadmiel, of the children of Hodaviah, 74. 41. The singers, the children of Asaph, 128. 42. The children of the gatekeepers, the children of Shallum, the children of Ader, the children of Talmon, the children of Akkob, the children of Hatita, the children of Shobai, in all 139. 43. The temple servants, the children of Zihah, the children of Hasupha, the children of Tabaoth. 44. The children of Keros, the children of Sayah, the children of Paddan. 45. The children of Lebana, the children of Hagabah, the children of Akab. 46. The children of Hagab, the children of Shamlai, the children of Hainan. 47. The children of Gittel, the children of Gahar, the children of Reiah. 48. The children of Rezin, the children of Nakoda, the children of Gatsam. 49. The children of Uzzah, the children of Besiah, the children of Besai. 50. The children of Osna, the children of Moinim, the children of Nephazim. 51. The children of Bakbuk, the children of Hakufa, the children of Harher. 52. The children of Bazluth, the children of Mehida, the children of Harsha. 53. The children of Archos, the children of Sisera, the children of Tema. 54. The children of Beziah, the children of Hatipha. 55. The children of Solomon's servants, the children of Satai, the children of Hasaphirith, the children of Peruda. 56. The children of Yala, the children of Darkon, the children of Gidel. 57. The children of Shephatiah, the children of Hatal, the children of Pachur of Hezebah, the children of Ami. 58. All the temple servants, and the children of Solomon's servants were 392. 59. These were those who went up from Tel Melah, Tel Harsha, Cherah, Paddan, and Immer. But they could not show their fathers' houses and their offspring, whether they were of Israel. 60. The children of Deliah, the children of Tobiah, the children of Nekoda, 652. 61. Of the children of the priests, the children of Habiah, the children of Hakos, and the children of Barzillai, who took a wife of the daughters of Barzillai the Gileadite, and was called after their name. 62. These sought their place among those who were registered by genealogy, but they were not found. Therefore they were deemed disqualified and removed from the priesthood. 63. The governor told them that they should not eat of the most holy things until a priest stood up to serve with Urim and with Thummim. 64. The whole assembly together was 42,360. 65 in addition to their male servants and their female servants, of whom there were 7,337. And they had 200 singing men and singing women. 66. Their horses were 736. Their mules, 245. 67 their camels, 435. Their donkeys, 6,720. 68. Some of the heads of fathers' households, when they came to the Lord's house, which is in Jerusalem, offered willingly for God's house to set it up in its place. 69. They gave according to their ability into the treasury of the work 61,000 derricks of gold, 5,000 milas of silver, and 100 priests' garments. 70. So the priests and the Levites, with some of the people, the singers, the gatekeepers, and the temple servants, lived in their cities, and all Israel in their cities. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the book of Ezra chapter 1, verses 1 to 11, and the book of Ezra chapter 2, verses 1 to 70. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.